When we think of the history of electricity, our minds typically drift to the kite-flying experiments of Benjamin Franklin in the 18th century, or the invention of the voltaic pile by Alessandro Volta in 1800. We view the mastery of electrical current as a distinctly modern triumph, a marker of the industrial age. However, a small, unassuming clay jar discovered in the deserts of Iraq suggests that the story of electricity may have a preamble written 2,000 years earlier, a chapter known as the Baghdad Battery. Discovered in 1938 by the German archaeologist Wilhelm near the capital of Iraq, the artifact initially appears unremarkable. It consists of a yellow clay vessel, approximately 5 inches tall, dating back to the Parthian or Sassanid periods, around 250 BCE to 250 CE. However, the internal components reveal a level of engineering inconsistent with the time period. Inside the jar was a cylinder made of rolled copper sheet, and suspended within that cylinder, but not touching it, was an iron rod. The top was sealed with asphalt or bitumen, which acted as an insulator. To the eyes of a modern engineer, this configuration is unmistakable. It is a galvanic cell. When the jar is filled with an acidic liquid such as vinegar, lemon juice, or fermented grape juice, the interaction between the copper and iron generates a chemical reaction that produces a mild electric charge. Experiments with replicas of the artifact, including those conducted on popular television programs like Mythbusters, have confirmed that the device is capable of producing between 0.8 and 2 volts of electricity. The existence of a functional battery 2 millennia before Volta raises the inevitable question, what was it used for? Mainstream archaeology offers a pragmatic explanation. Scholars suggest that the batteries were used for electroplating, a process of using electric current to deposit a thin layer of gold or silver onto a baser metal. This would have allowed ancient artisans to create jewelry and coins that appeared solid gold but were actually much cheaper to produce. This theory aligns with the known craftsmanship of the region, framing the battery as a trade secret of the smiths rather than a widespread utility. However, the artifact has also been embraced by proponents of the ancient astronaut theory. These theorists argue that the leap in logic required to understand electron flow and chemical conductivity is too great for the time period. They propose that this out-of-place artifact, or OOPArt, is evidence of knowledge transferred to humanity by advanced off-world visitors. In this view, the batteries might have been used for more esoteric purposes, such as powering simple light sources, often linked to the controversial Dendera light reliefs in Egypt, or creating religious miracles, rigging a metal idol to deliver a shock to worshippers, thereby proving the power of the gods through invisible forces. Whether the Baghdad Battery was a tool for deception in the jewelry trade, a device for religious awe, or a remnant of forgotten high technology, it remains a profound anomaly. It serves as a humbling reminder that the path of human innovation is rarely a straight line. Knowledge can be discovered, utilized, and then tragicomically forgotten, leaving future generations to dig up the pieces and wonder how the ancients managed to capture sparks in a jar.